Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this lecture I'm going to teach you how to create forms of adding text like text inputs like email address and names, and password inputs and text area of any such as messages and comments. So let's get started. So in the previous lectures we have created this much. So after this table I want to create my form of username and passwords and comment. So let's do it. So we are in a Sublime text and this is our code. So let's get started. Here after table, then let's give a heading. It's a samples of forms. Then under this I have to create a form tag, and then form tag my inputs. Then after in between form tag I have to give action attribute, and then our address gives http example.com. And then login.php for sample, and then I have to give a username of paragraph, let's say paragraph, and then between your username, so username. So after this my input tag type is text, name let's say username. So you can type any name, so let's give username to understand clearly, and then you can give size also. So let's say 15, and you can give maximum length also, let's say 25, and then close it. So here it is done. So let's see how it looks. So let's go down. So here it is, our username and form. So it gives anything. So let's do that. Let's make a password one. So now after closing tag, and then I have to create a paragraph of password one. So give over here password, and then my input tag type is password over here. So here is password, and then name anything, let's say password, and then let's say size 15, and then maximum length let's say 30, and then close tag. So it's done. So you can understand this. Let's see. Control to save the file. Let's go here. Okay, so here it is, our username and then password. So and then password would be in hidden letters. So now I have to give comments. So then a paragraph to display, let's say how are you. So here it is, and then my tag would be text area, and then in opening text area type name tag, and then your name, anything would be, let's say comments, and then after this let's say our columns calls, so let's say about 20 or 30, and then my rows would be let's say 15. So the 30 by 40 a block will be created. So in between you can type any default value, let's say right here, so it will display on your comment by default. Let's control S to certify, refresh it. So here is our block storage. Let's give is 5, and then let's see how it looks now. Now it's good. So you can type over here anything. Let's okay. So it will create everything. And you can resize also here from here. So it's a comment box, you can type anything, infinitely things. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, do comment me, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and bye. It's Ayan, I'm signing off.